Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can open a TikTok shop. How can you start a TikTok seller shop? That's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to take you step by step how this can be achieved. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe and like this video, because when you do, TikTok algorithm is going to push the video for other people to see. Another thing is, don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. We'll go to Google and we'll type in seller.tiktok.com. That's the website we're going to be looking at today. And this seller.tiktok.com is where you're supposed to sign up to become TikTok seller. So we'll click on this one here, TikTok shop seller. And when you get to this page, you have the option, because it says welcome to TikTok shop. You have the option to click on Asian seller if you live in Asia. The second one is Europe seller. If it's not America seller, you click on this location. So now it's showing me this. I'm gonna click on this one here. Like I said, it depends on your location. So here you would have to add your phone number, create a password. That is if you've already signed up. This is for you, but because we want to sign up, we're gonna click on this one here that says sign up. So you get to this page. On this page, it's saying have a TikTok shop or TikTok for business account. Log in here. That does not apply to us. So because we are signing up, you're gonna add your email address here. Then you create a password. And then you click on register now. So I'm gonna quickly do that and come back. Guys, we're here now, and it says tell us more about your business. So this is where you're going to tell them more about the kind of business you want to do. Remember, this is free. Remember, you don't have to pay to do this, and you don't need to create content to be on TikTok, to sell on TikTok, and you don't need to have followers for you to be a TikTok shop seller. Now, individual, you're gonna click on individual here, add in your email address, add in your name, and put the other information that they need from you. Now you get to a stage where they want you to verify your ID. I think it's pertinent I say this. So what they will require from you would be either your passport or driving license. And then there's another last option. That option is you could actually take a selfie of yourself holding up your ID. So in essence, your picture and the ID you're holding up would have to match. So they want to find out if whoever is in that ID is the person in the picture. There's another platform you would have to go to find out viral product. One thing is you want to sell on TikTok seller shop. Another thing is what product do you actually want to sell? I don't think you would want to sell product that interests you, product that you like. As a business person, you would want to sell products that people out there would like. It's not all about what you like if your aim is to make money. So you would have to go to FastMoss.com. That is a platform that tells and shows you viral products that people are selling on TikTok shop. So one good thing with FastMoss is that it's giving you the data of this product. They are already going viral on TikTok seller shop. So you know that, okay, people like this product and people are buying this product. It's not a case of doing trial and error here. No, it's a case of people already like this product. So let's go to Google and type in that FastMoss. And all right, fastmoss.com. That's what it is. So when you click on this one here, it will expect you to sign up. Now you click on this one here that says get started. When you click on get started, you have the option to create an account to sign up. If you've already signed up, you click here that says log in. Then you log into the platform. Now, when you log into the platform, you will have you can see how the platform looks. It's a find products, find creators, find shops, find lives, find ads. So let's say you want to find product. You click on this one that says find product. You can actually find the product by searching. You just type it in here and you click to search if you know the product name. But if you don't, you can filter your search by commission rate, advanced filtering, new product, free shipping product. There are actually products that are free shipping, local warehouse product, and so on and so forth. Men's and women's wear, underwear, household appliances. So you can just filter your search by the product categories. And then you can also filter by country and region. You can also filter by shop. You can also filter by commission rates and so on and so forth. So let's check this women's tie-dye. Let's see. I know it's not gonna give us a lot of access because I didn't sign in. So, but let's see what access we can get. So you can see this one here. It's a women's tie-dye high-waist sports leggings yoga pants. Yeah. So the price is between $10.19 to $10.59. Right. So this product now, if you want to sell this product, there are steps that you would have to take for you to sell this product. And one of those steps is you would have to find an influencer. Let me quickly mention that one good thing with TikTok seller shop is that you don't need following for you to sell on TikTok shop. Actually, with 0 following, you can open up your shop and sell on TikTok shop. It doesn't need you to have so many people follow you on TikTok, no. Neither does it need you to be the one to create content for your product. So that is the good thing about it. You can get influencers to promote your product, and you sell your product, you make your money. All you need to do for the influencers is to pay them their commission because they are affiliates with TikTok shop. So promote your product. Obviously, they are promoting as affiliates and you're going to pay them commission. That's it. So you don't need to be the one promoting your product. You don't need to create content. Some people will say, oh, but I can't create content on TikTok. I don't even know how to go about it. You don't need to worry about all those things. All you need to do is create your shop on TikTok seller shop. When you create your shop, go to FastMoss and look for viral products. Now, the FastMoss will also help you to know how much people are making for the product. So not only would you know the product that are already selling, you will also have the idea of how much people are making for that product. Now, and with all this information, so if you go back to the TikTok seller shop, That is, if you have signed up and then you sign in, yeah, you will see on your left-hand side where it says affiliates. If you click on affiliates, you'll find out that there are lists of TikTok shop affiliates that TikTok already know because they are their affiliate marketers. They are registered, so their lists are there. Now, you can scale it down to the niche. If your niche is skincare, you scale it down to skincare. Then you see the influencers that are promoting products on skincare. If your niche is on appliances, like home appliances, you scale it down, you filter your search to influencers that are promoting home appliances, and TikTok will show you those influencers. Now you choose the one you want. And another good thing with TikTok seller shop is you do not have to use just one influencer to promote your product. You can actually have one product that you want to promote using up to 200 influencers if you want. So the more influencers you use to promote your product, the more sales you will make, because imagine all these influencers creating content around your product. That will help your product to get a lot of visibility. It will push your product to the eyeballs of so many people, and you will get a lot of sales. The only thing you will need to do would be to pay the influencers their commission. Now, let's say you have sorted out the influencer that you want to help promote your product. And what is the next stage? The next stage is you would have to go and look for the product. And how do you find the product that you want to sell on your TikTok seller shop? Now, there's a platform that is called Alibaba.com. You would have to sign up to Alibaba.com. So this is Alibaba.com. Now you go to their official website, which is you signed up with them. If you want to sign up, you click on this here that says sign up. Now you sign up with Alibaba.com. When you go get the product, you found the product. Now you come to Alibaba, you see the same product. Now you will be able to find out how much people are buying the product and how much they are selling the product. Okay, so you've done that. You've sorted out the company that you want to buy the product from. Remember, Alibaba, they sell to every part of the world. Irrespective of where you are, you can use Alibaba. And you don't need to handle any of the shipping or any of the logistics or anything. No. That is where warehouse logistics will come in. This warehouse logistics, their job would be, because you're going to link them to your TikTok shop. So they already know people that whoever had placed an order on your TikTok shop, they already have that information because they are linked to your TikTok seller shop. Now, armed with that information, they will make sure that they handle the packaging, the delivery, everything logistics as concerned to that product, to make sure that the product gets to the customer. They will be the one to handle it. That's why this is so good, because you wouldn't have to do anything. You wouldn't have to handle the product yourself. You wouldn't have to bother about how are you going to send the product to the customer? How are you going to deal with the packaging, the delivery, and everything? No, this warehouse logistics, they are the go-between you and the customer. They are taking off that stress from you. That's how it works. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna leave it here for today. Yeah, so that is that for TikTok seller shop. If you want to sign up and you need any more information or you're stuck somewhere, just get in touch with me. Leave a comment under this video and I will gladly respond to help. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this content and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next